What a drop there on the SPY here into the open. If this is your first time coming across the channel, welcome, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY dropping down and finding support near 590 before bouncing back up, but we got a bear indicator sent directly over to the Discord at 9:25 a.m. that did not get canceled with a bull indicator until 12:30 p.m. and we could see that here in the charts, and that pushed up as well almost nearly $4 from where that bull indicator popped up. But a extreme drop here on the SPY stock, and also the QQQ sent one out in the pre-market and a big drop there as well, and put options went up with that weakness on the 42 vision indicator and outflows crossing nearly 300% plus within minutes to an hour. Guys, if you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it and gain the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and joining the community of members using 42 vision to get equipped and have that edge within the volatility. Once again, the link is down below in the description and the top pinned comment. You can see those notifications that came in early on in the market at 9:10 a.m. on the QQQ, and on the SPY 9:25 a.m. So when we zoom out here and look at the SPY from the 15-minute in the bigger picture here with a little bit less volatility, and even towards the 30-minute, we could see that the drops and support levels keep getting broken through. If we just draw lines here between these lines where the drops have happened, you could see supports have not held every single time, right? Every single day, the low of the day has not held the next day, and those have been the areas of rejection. And now we hit a new low that's going to be critical here moving forward, that needs to hold, and we talked about it in our video yesterday. 595 got broken through, then came 593 and 590, and this was a strong bounce there at 590, and if that got broken through, we were watching 588. And in today's video, we're going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. But lots of volatility here, and we've done full transitions even on the lower time frames from the dip areas to the rip areas. And if this is your first time coming across the channel and seeing this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP500 index, back under a bear indicator here since 6:03 on the 30-minute. And when we zoom out, we've seen the 1 hour with a bear indicator up here at 610. Also the 2 hour since up here at 610.80, almost 611. And then the 4 hour since that 610, 609.50 area. Now, we've hit multiple dip areas here back to back of where we're fed borders from yesterday to today on the SPY, transitioning from the rip area, and we're hitting an area of possible support. Why? Because we've bounced from here before, right? 590, 589 has been a crucial level of support, and we talked about this in yesterday's video. As we approached it, if we broke it, there was lower levels to be tested, and if we can bounce off of it, it's going to try to come back up. And the one thing holding up the whole entire chart, and this is where 42 vision gives us that edge in the bigger picture, and all comes down to your strategy. If you're trying to trade, quickly, you want to look at probably the 15-minute and see those multiple confirmations, such as a bull indicator on the 15-minute or bear indicator and on the 5-minute and stuff like that. But when you zoom out and look at this from the bigger picture, we've talked about how this bull indicator was holding up this chart, okay? And this is the one reason why any of this pullback is not justified until canceled by a bear indicator. And now we got it popped up. So any bounce for now that comes back up, even though those short time frames may try, this 590 level gets broken through, and this bear indicator has not been canceled, and we continue under a bear indicator on the 4 hour, continue up to the 2 hour, and the 1 hour 30 minute they want to try to switch back up to bull indicators, that's just volatility. The bigger picture is now telling us a different story. We talked about how we would need to reassess that if the 1 day broke into a bear indicator. The last time that happened, every time it tried coming back up, it was not justified. It would come right back down to test support, bounce back up, and then come right back down. Same thing here to the upside. Every time it pulled down, it came back up as long as it did not get canceled. Now, this bull indicator is canceled, and now we're back under a bear indicator. Tomorrow and the rest of this week is going to be crucial. A lot of eyes on NVIDIA. So if the SPY is trying to come back up now, and this is closed and confirmed today, this bear indicator now changes the story as long as the 4 hour and the 1 day continue under bear indicators, right? Because the one that will turn into a bull indicator before the 1 day will be the 4 hour if it starts to push back up. And right now, they're both aligning, and we also have the 2 hour and even the 1 hour. So what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support. That's 592, 590. If both of those get broken through, the next level I'll be watching, which we have to zoom out to the 1 day, is down towards 587, 588, guys. That's right below where that bull indicator popped up and below the supports of the 590 level. To the upside, we want to see things start to pick up pretty quickly, and at least on the 30-minute and 1 hour have bull indicators and the lower time frames such as the 5 and 15-minute to align with those inflows picking up and pushing upwards. The first resistance is 598, guys. We're fighting here to stay above 595. 598 is crucial, and then comes 600. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and these inflow versus outflows, I would not ignore them, guys. Very nice reversal here, and we were able to see that on our inflow versus outflow early on. Where the bottom was, I went ahead and broke it down on Twitter. What the charts were showing when those inflows came in, you could see it here coming up here on the level of 590 plus a bull indicator confirmation and coming up towards 592. And what happened? It continued to push up higher. You could see that push up higher here from that SPY. Continuation, could it retest 595? And it certainly broke out and pushed above it, and more inflows came in, dominating. A little bit of outflows, but that got canceled quickly. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to get connected, or the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community of members using 42 Vision and the inflow versus outflow. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.